Hi, my name is Ann Devine, and I'm an academic coach at MCC's Tutoring and Academic Assistance Center, or the TAAC. This workshop is on study strategies. We'll discuss different ways to study effectively to help you improve your success this semester. Part 1 of this workshop talks about the study cycle and how to conduct study sessions and plan your study time. The first thing you want to think about before you start studying is how to prepare an effective place to study. So you want to find a place that's free from interruptions and distractions, so that's silencing your phone, away from the TV, or anything else that can be distracting to you. Next, you should have all the materials on hand that you will need to study. So that's your textbooks, notebooks, folders, pens, highlighters, maybe flashcards. You also want to have a comfortable chair and a large enough desk or table so you're able to spread all of your materials out. An important part of studying is the study cycle. The study cycle consists of 5 steps: preview, attend, review, study, and assess. The next slide has a video that explains each step of the study cycle in detail. There are different ways to manage a study session. This will be up to you to figure out what works best for you. One way is the intense study sessions mentioned in the study cycle. The first couple of minutes is where you can set an achievable goal you want to accomplish during your session. Next is studying for about 30 to 50 minutes. This is where you are actively engaging with the material. You might summarize your notes or make flashcards or concept maps for understanding. We'll talk about some of the study tools later in the workshop. The third step is to reward yourself for about 10 to 15 minutes. Take a break, maybe go for a walk or get a snack. The last step is review, and this is just about 5 minutes to go over and summarize what you just studied. Another way to study is using the Pomodoro technique. There are 5 different steps. The first step is you pick a task or a study goal that you want to achieve. The second step is setting a timer for 25 minutes. The third step is you work on your task and study until the time is up. Step 4 is you take a 5-minute break, maybe get a snack or a cup of coffee. And step 5 is for every 4 Pomodoros you do, you take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. This is a great way to stay focused and complete your study goals. The Pomodoro technique is a proven method for improving your efficiency. Nobody can stay focused on work for long periods of time without breaks. Focus List is a daily planner and focus app that uses the Pomodoro technique if you're interested in using an app for this. Here is a chart of class and study time ratios. This will give you a sense of how much time you should allot in your schedule depending on how many credits or courses you're taking. For instance, if you're taking 3 credit hours or 1 course, this is about 3 hours in class and 6 hours of study time, so your weekly time commitment would be about 9 hours. Here is a link to a study time calculator. You can fill out how many hours you spend on different activities like class, work, cooking, exercising, spending time with family and friends, and other activities. This will give you an idea of how much time left over you have to study. The calculator will generate a pie chart to show you how your time is spent, similar to the one to the right. This concludes part 1 of the Study Strategies workshop. Part 2 of this workshop talks about different learning styles and study tools and tips based on the different learning styles.